can do it, Johnny.
Push out the other puppy. Yan. Start sucking.
There you go. Maybe he's gonna get milk. Oh, push it out, Johnny.
Stash?
He doesn't know anything there.
Oh my god, that's his color. Dark.
I want that one. Push it, Johnny. You're gonna put on YouTube and that's your sounds are gonna be like push it! It's about to come out. Oh! Whoa, that's crazy. Okay, Johnny, it's out now. Johnny!
That's okay. Don't help her. It's another dark color. Just gonna lick it.
Oh yeah, look at that blubber. What is that bubble thing?
It's the suck.
Mom, I don't think you want to put on Facebook.
Yan.
Do it, Johnny. Oh, that's nasty. Come on, Johnny.
Quiet. Oh,
Yes.
two? Is that two? They clean it. See, that's interesting.
What? It's only one.
She would eat it?
Yeah, she eats. Good job, Johnny.
Yeah.
She's probably hungry too. Good job, Johnny.
Quiet.
Yeah. Wait, what about the dog?
The dog is not breathing.
She has to eat the umbilical cord. She's eating it right now.
Yeah, she'll get to it. See?
Oh, yeah, it's alive! Oh my god!
Joey's like, I'm hungry.
It's alive! Just clean the mouth. Clean the face. Wow, Johnny knows exactly what to do. Clean the face, Johnny. Wow, you're so good.
Guess I might as well take pictures too.
Don't put the flash.
I'm gonna face it away from them.
Oh my gosh, that's a big hole in his belly.
Is it alive?
That's a boy.
Is it alive?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's alive, or she.
Wake him up, Johnny. Is that a boy or girl? Ew. That's a boy. He's got a little wiener. Yeah, wake him up, Johnny. Yeah,
Isn't there an off switch for the flash?
No, I'm putting flash for a reason.